Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw a super cute smartphone. It has funny eyes, colorful buttons, and a happy face.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a tall rectangle. Great job! Now draw another rectangle inside the first one. This will be the phone screen. Draw the side part of the phone.
Please subscribe my channel. Please.
Add 2 small rectangular buttons on the side. Awesome! Draw a small circle for the camera. Now draw a long little shape for the speaker. Now draw 2 circular icons at the bottom. One button is for receiving calls, and the other button is for cutting calls. Draw 2 rectangular eyes on the screen.
La da 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 dee.
Now draw little eyebrows. And finally, draw a cute mouth. Nice job, everyone. Our smartphone drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Trace all the lines carefully with your black marker. Awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Bring your color pens and let's make it bright and beautiful. Red color.
Wow! Please subscribe my channel. Please.
Green color. Indigo color. Pink color. Blue color.
Please subscribe my channel. Please.
Light blue color. Wow, your smartphone looks amazing. Well done, little artists. You drew a super cute smartphone today. Keep practicing and keep having fun with colors.
Please subscribe my channel. Please.
Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw something super fun and useful. A smartphone! Are you ready?
Yay!
First, draw a tall rectangle. Great! That will be our phone shape. Now draw another small rectangle inside it. This will be the screen. Draw the side buttons on the phone. Now, draw the receive button, the speaker, and the front camera on top. Awesome work! Now, let's decorate the screen with fun app icons. First, draw a video player icon. Next, draw a mail icon. Now, draw a music icon. Draw a chat bubble icon. Now, draw a clock icon.
La da 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 dee.
And finally, draw a camera icon. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop.
Please subscribe my channel. Please, please, please.
Wow, looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Gray color. Cream color.
Please subscribe my channel. Please, please, please.
Purple and pink color. Awesome coloring, everyone! Your smartphone drawing looks fantastic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun drawings on Toddlers Art Hub. Hi, friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cool that we use every day, a smartphone.
Yay!
First, let's draw a big rectangle. This will be the body of our phone. Now, inside that rectangle, draw another smaller rectangle. This will be the screen. Great job! At the top of the screen, draw a small oval shape for the speaker area. And at the bottom, draw a small circle. That's our home button. Now, make our phone look 3D. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop.
Please subscribe my channel. Please, please, please.
Awesome, isn't it?
Ha-ha! Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's grab our markers and color together. Say the colors out loud with me. Purple color.
Wow!
Pink color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep. Please subscribe my channel. Please, please, please. La 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 la.
Yellow color. color. Wow, that looks amazing! Great job, everyone. You did an awesome job drawing and coloring a smartphone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.